Hi guys, and welcome to Unity tutorial of how to embed a video to your projects. So this is the one I did earlier. So let's enable the music. There we go guys. So
I can feel the blood
what
creeping
I'm
up
going to
from
do
the
now is
heathens.
I'm going to
Got
take you
will,
guys
got
straight to
fight, got
Unity
pride,
tutorial
got reason. If they
and we'll
wanna
put one
go
of these
eat, then you
together.
know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope
As
you're
you
ready
can
for a
see,
demon. I
you can
got
see
eyes in the
everyone in
back of
the
my
dancing
head, I'm
floor
seeing. Take me for granted, and
right
you
inside
know
the
I'm
video
leaving.
itself.
I'ma take what's mine with the web.
As you guys can see, you can see all the dancers right inside the video there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you guys into Unity and I'll show you how to put one of these together. As for this asset is called New York. So all you just need to do is to get hold of this asset and we take it from there. So I'm going to start a new project. Let's stop this from running. Okay, all we need to do is just to add a cube because this tutorial is all about adding a video player. So that is the cube that you guys saw earlier, the one I used to display my video. So if I run it again, this is what you guys will see. And I'm going to get rid of that very cube. There is there somewhere. There we go. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to get rid of it now. Okay, stop that. And that is the cube. So that very cube, just uncheck that. It's gone. Now, come right in here, your hierarchy, and let's add another cube somewhere here. Okay, so come right here, add a cube. You can use any other object though, but I'm just going to add a cube. There we go. That's my cube right there. Look at it. So we can give that a name and just call it CB video. There we go. That's the name. On that very cube, we need to increase this size. So I'm going to make this size, the width here. You see the scale? I'm going to make that about 30. And here I'm going to make that 20. Yeah, that will do 20. And here 1, that's fine. So let's grab our rotate tool and just spin it around. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Now we can reposition it properly somewhere there. A little bit of more spinning. There we go. Look at that. And that's all. Now, the next thing you want to do is come right here. You see where you have add component. Click on that and then enter video player. That is it. That's all you want. So officially the video player is added to this now. Okay, so the video player, that is the object right in there. And here, this is where you add your video clip. I do have a video clip that I previously created. Let's select that. Just drag the video clip and dump it right there. And that's all there is to it. That's how you create your own video recording or adding video to your system. But there's one thing, look at it. Can you see that? It's kind of like upside down. So what we need to then do is you come right here. You see the rotate or rotation? Change that to 360 and the z-axis, I'm going to make that 180 there. So I've kind of like flip it around. So let's see. There we go. Look at that. And that is how you add a video to your own system, guys. Depend on whatever environment you want to use. Okay, this is a very simple tutorial. You don't need posh environment like this. You can just do it on anything. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this tutorial. You guys have a nice one. Bye for now.